How to buy wheat straw. Wheat straw is the byproduct of wheat grain production. Straw consists of wheat plant stems with the grain removed. Wheat straw bales are commonly sold by the bale or ton. The bales are often sold directly from the farm and by feed stores. Use. Wheat straw is commonly used for livestock bedding in shelters, stalls and stock trailers. The straw is also widely used as mulch for vegetable or flower gardens and as a covering to prevent soil erosion in new construction and road sites. Quality. Ideal wheat straw for bedding is dry, clean, and free of dust and mold. Straw for mulch must be weed-free to prevent the introduction of undesired plants. Size of bale. Wheat straw is often available in bales. Small rectangular bales weighing 50 or more pounds can be moved and handled by one person. Larger round or rectangular bales weighing hundreds of pounds are moved by specialized machinery.